Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, TD Rajaba, back on your screens once again. And in today's video, I actually just want to review two products, particularly actually one product. Let me rather say one product that I've been using and just give you guys my thoughts. But before we get into that, I just want to say my apologies. The aim of this channel is just to get back on being consistent and posting about my hair journey, my thoughts, product reviews, being educational, etc. And I've been just trying to balance my 9-to-5 projects, which I absolutely love, but they are draining. Therefore, by the time I get to personal projects like both my channels, it's a little hard for me to show up. But because today is a day where I feel rested, even though I'm still very much sick, I want to show up for myself and for you more than anything. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Immediately after I braided this hairstyle, you guys saw the last clip. It's literally the last clip of the last video. I showed you guys my hair. It was pretty quick. I have thoroughly enjoyed this hairstyle. As a matter of fact, it will be back. The reason why I absolutely love this hairstyle, which I didn't get the chance to really explain why I chose this particular hairstyle, was because I needed something that was going to be short for the month of August, something that is going to preserve my hair, the length, and retain it more than anything. And I didn't want to move too much in my hair, too much movement in my hair rather. Therefore, I went for something like this. This is my hair length. We literally just added hairpiece fiber right at the end, just so that we can be able to burn it, because you don't want to burn your real hair now, do you? No, you don't. I'm gonna take down this hairstyle in about 2 weeks time and then get into my next hairstyle, which I will discuss with you closer to the time. So this hairstyle, I really wanted it to embody, like, I wanted to channel in my inner Dochi, my inner Tyler, as well as the first time I actually started braiding my hair. This is a similar hairstyle that I actually did the first time I started getting into braiding my hair. After I got my hair braided, I went to the shops to try to find a mist, because I felt like it would be the best way for me to hydrate my hair is to get a mist, because my hair is right here. This is my hair, so we want to prioritize water. So I bought the Native Child Hydrating Mist. It is made from naturally derived ingredients with aloe vera and vitamin E, right? This is supposed to be refreshing, providing immediate moisture to dry hair strands and scalp. It makes detangling easier. It's a natural plant-based product that is kind to your hair. Cute. Very cute, right? So the instructions say that you need to like shake it and then spray it. So when I started using the product, I thought, oh, okay, maybe I didn't shake it enough. So I shook it some more, but there was no mist coming. Instead, this is what was coming. Do you guys see that? That's how the product sprays. They claim this is supposed to be a mist. When I think mist, I think pss, you know, like pss, not. What is this? What is this? Like, so because I bought it, I have to use it. And then my second brain was like, maybe I should add water. But I didn't want to do that because I don't want to like imbalance the product, because each product was meticulously measured to ensure that everything, you know, the pH is balanced. So I didn't want to add water to it, and also because I thought with more use it will start to pss, 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 instead of tss, 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 which is strange to me. What are my thoughts? I'm highly disappointed. Of course I'm disappointed. What do you mean? If you claim that this is going to be a hydrating mist, where's the hydration? As a matter of fact, where is the mist part? Where's the mist? It's supposed to leave my hair misty. What is this? What are these spots? And I'm not even being like dramatic or anything. You guys can see what is happening. And I'm not sure if this is just this bottle, which is why I need you to actually comment below and let me know if you have used this product. Did it come out like this? Because my product is very thick. You guys hear that? I'm like shaking it to my mic. Like, it's very thick. I don't know why it's this thick if it's supposed to be a mist. So I don't know what their definition of a mist is, but editing city here, I found this video as I was editing, and they obviously advertised this type of mist spraying bottle, and I didn't get that, so I think I want my money back. I want my money back. Then the second product I've been reusing this bottle for many years. It's literally MPL oil, which I have reviewed on this channel, and I will link the product video here somewhere, as well as castor oil. This has been keeping my hair thick. These two products have been keeping my edges intact. They have been keeping my hair thick. I know this because when I took down my last hairstyle, my hair was very full and voluminous. So for me, it's something, I don't think my hair has ever had that much body. And I don't know if it's due to this or it's due to the fact that I don't play in my hair anymore, or what, I don't know. But all I know is that the oil is doing the Lord's work. It's unscented. I don't like scented products. It works well with my hair, and that's that. So I think for now I just want to show you guys how I moisturize, but I think in the evening today when I go to the gym, I just might wash my hair, because right now, as much as I kind of like the hairstyle, I think I need to wash my scalp. I really do need to wash my scalp. I'll figure out. I don't think I've actually ever washed my scalp like this, but I suppose testing it out at the gym is a good spot, and then maybe I can try it out in front of the camera or tell you guys how it went. It'd be just weird, so I can't really now shoot in the public bathrooms now, can I? So let me just show you guys. The spray doesn't change. It literally looks like this entire time, which is like, what is this? Like, what is this, guys? What is this? Like, this is so annoying. So anyway, I've been using the product because I have it and I have to finish it. But do I like it? Would I repurchase it again? Unless if you guys say in the comment section that it was a mistake, that I picked up the wrong bottle, you know, that this bottle is defected or something. But if that's not the case, and you guys actually say in the comments that this is how it sprays the entire time, I might just even send them a DM and ask them, like, what the does this mean? Sorry for my language, like, but what does this mean? What does this actually mean? You actually trying to piss me off? Are you trying to piss me off? Is if you guys can let me know if you have other products that you prefer to use, like hairspray, because I'm in my braiding era, therefore adding a spray on in your hair routine is going to be super helpful. I can tell you that for free. So because it doesn't really do the Lord's work, now I have to brush it in to kind of like distribute the product, but it will soon melt into my hair and you won't see it. And I think this is why I basically want to wash my scalp, because I moisturize my hair once a week as always. And this has not been doing it for me. It really hasn't. And I think because it just puts too much product on one spot, I have to like take my time brushing it, which obviously then ruins my hair. Ugh. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Maybe I would have been able to preserve this hairstyle a little longer if I actually got the right ingredients for it, like products, you know? But that wasn't the case, and that's not the case, which is fine, all is well. Yeah, this is it. And then you guys can see it's like somewhat evenly distributed, and then I'll just take the oil. I prefer to just like put it on my fingers and then distribute it, because I don't want it on one spot. So I'll just wait for it to come out, just like so. And then just like do that, literally. This is how I would moisturize my hair. I don't even use that much product, like for the oil, because I don't like my pillows being oily, etc. So I don't like to use too much product. I use most of it on the scalp and then on this parts of my hair, because I don't want them to get dry. I've thoroughly enjoyed this hairstyle. It will be coming back. It will definitely be coming back, darling. I don't want to make this video too long. These are my thoughts. I will not be purchasing this honey again unless if they change and improve the formula and actually make it mist. I don't even think I have anything good to say right now. It's just annoying me because if you say you're a hydrating mist, at least mist, then I can judge the hydrating part. That's annoying. And then my oil, only good news to say about my oil. It doesn't stress me out at all. It's unscented, it works well, it does the job. That's it. Maybe I may just replace it with black Jamaican castor oil in the future. I still have a lot. This should last me till probably next year. So I don't know, we will see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know which mists you guys are currently using that I should test out. I will highly appreciate them. And then yeah, that's that. For my edges, I haven't been using anything different. I've always used this for like 2 years now. And it works well with my edges. I wash it off each night, and that's about it. That's how I take care of my edges. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will definitely be seeing you guys in my next one. Bye.